Hey guys, it's Miss Walker. So today we're actually going to practice the Pythagorean theorem formula that we learned yesterday. As a review, and if you're in class, you should have this paper in front of you. As a review, A and B are the shorter legs, and C is the hypotenuse, which is the longest leg and the longest side. If you were walking from one point to another, this would be the shortest distance instead of going the long way around. But if you're comparing all three sides, it is the longest side. So what we're doing today, we're going to practice in our calculator using this one button how to solve these problems. So if the problem doesn't have a picture, you're going to draw one. Sometimes you're going to get a word problem where they talk about what they're doing, like walking home or walking to the store. You want to draw a picture so that you really know what you're solving for. Figure out which side you need to find the length of, and then we're going to solve using that Pythagorean theorem. If you need to find the length of the hypotenuse, so they've given us A, they've given us B, we need to find C. And remember our dance that we learned yesterday, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That's the formula we would use. So let's say I'm going to use the example of a triangle with legs that are 3 and 4 feet long. That's a pretty common one. That's one you're going to see in a lot of examples. We even did it yesterday on our doodle notes page. So in our calculator, we're going to type A squared plus B squared and hit enter. Now I want to show you, and it's actually on your paper. This is the button that we're going to use. See how it says x squared? We can just go ahead and in our calculator type in 3 squared, and you can see what it does up here. See, look how it looks. Plus 4 squared, and hit enter. Now, that's not our C. That's C squared. We don't want C squared. We want the square root of that. So in order to find the square root, we do second, which is the blue button, and your previous answer. The way that I like to remember this is blue square root, which is this symbol. See how it's in blue? That means you have to hit the blue button, then this calculator button. So blue square root of 25. Enter. That is the value of C. So what you're going to do in class or online, if you're online, you have this pulled up, you can just click the link. If you're in class, you're going to go to IXL, log in with your new login information that's on Canvas, and you can just search up y.1 if you want to do that. Make sure, guys, wherever you are, make sure you log in first using your new login information. If you don't, then you're only going to be able to do 10 problems, and it's not going to save your work. So in my, when Miss Garcia and I grade it, you're going to get a 0 because you don't have anything under your name. So make sure you log in. And here's where you find that. On our Canvas for today, you're going to click on IXL usernames and passwords. Open that up. And bam, there you go. So it's going to be your first and last name and Walker. And it's a whole long page. It's 3 pages. If your name's not on there for some reason, I'll double check tonight. But if your name's not on there, just have Miss Garcia text me. Okay, so going back here, let's say that on our triangle, they don't give us A and B, they give us A and C or B and C. So we don't need to add, like if you have the 2 smaller ones, you're going to add to get up to the bigger side. But if you already have the bigger side in one of these, You're trying to get to this small side, so you need to subtract. You're getting smaller. So we're going to start with c squared. So we're going to pretend we don't know the answer here. We're going to still use that 3, 4, 5 right triangle. We're going to do 5 squared. Uh-oh, I did 55. We don't want that. 5 squared minus 3 squared. And then we're going to find the square root of that. Blue square root of 16. And that is the other side that we were missing is 4. Now, same thing for practicing this. You're going to pull up either this link, or you can go to, when you log into IXL, you can just search up lesson y.2. If you have any questions at all, you can inbox me throughout the day. Use your resources, go back to yesterday's videos, yesterday's practice if you need to do that. I love you guys. Hope you have an awesome day. Bye. Okay, really this time now. Bye.